Hi, I'm Darren. I'm one of the co-founders at Remote Vans, and we're here at the Overland Expo show in Arizona. Remote Vans, we've been around for about 3 years now, and we are in the process of launching our brand new series of adventure vans. This is our flagship van called the Aegis series. This is what we believe, the ultimate Class B adventure van, and I'm going to talk you through it very quickly, so come with me. So we're very proud of this Valhalla seat. This is the first seat in a Class B that can swing 90 degrees. So right now, this is in sunset mode. If you were ready to head out on the road, you can turn the seat forward, and when you're stopped, you also have the ability to convert this seat into a flat bed. So the footrest comes up and the backrest goes down. So we're very, very proud of this. It's been in development for over 18 months, and it's only recently passed all federal regulations, so it's DOT certified, crash tested, and so on. So we're very, very proud of this, and I think this is going to make our vans stand out more and more in this segment of the market. The Cyber Shower is in two parts. So this is where you would connect your shower curtain. It's stowed away inside the storage box, which also houses your porta potty. So what we've designed is a shower curtain that is completely removable. So once you've had a shower, you can take your shower curtain, hang it on the back on the B2 or on your ladder, and let it dry while you cook dinner. So very proud of that. This is the shower control system. This shower is pretty unique. It's a recirculation shower. It has two water pumps. The first one, you would hop in the shower, have about a minute shower with the drain closed while the water rises inside the shower tray, and then you would switch over to pump number 2, recirculate the water while you're washing and while the water cools down, which is normally about 7 minutes. Then you turn it off, pop it back onto pump 1, rinse off, and then drop the water into the grey tank. And so what that allows us to do is achieve a 10-minute shower and only use about 4 gallons of water. So I think that's like a huge thing in this industry, where water conservation or water preservation is a big thing in the van industry. So that allows us in a remote van to be able to deliver no less than 7 10-minute showers. So it's a big deal. It's pretty cool. What also sets our vans apart is our cabinetry. So we put a lot of time into the aesthetic look of our vans. So if you look around at like the ceiling, you see really, really intricate work as well as on the walls, and we carry that through into all of our design, whether it be, on the water box, the power box. Everything has been really, really well thought out to present like a really premium feel van. Our bed is a bascule bed. It drops down, but it's secured with L-track, so this will never ever fall down while you're driving. Beauty of it is there are longer straps on the driver's side. So with these bed supports stowed, you can actually turn this into a completely free working desk, standing working desk, and the ability to walk right through the rear doors as well. So the big thing that it delivers, I guess, is a completely free garage. So you can stow at least 3 mountain bikes here, no problem at all. All right, talking through the kitchen and our van control system. So we're really proud of this kitchen. It is made using an Italian imported composite, so it's ultra lightweight, and we put a lot of effort into making sure that we have a really premium sink. So this one has a foldable, high quality metal faucet and mixer. So this has only just come out on the market, so we're really, really pumped about that. And we finish it off with bamboo chopping board that we make in-house, and we've got sprinkles of bamboo around the van, on the seats, on the shower, and that really gives us a really premium feel. You also notice that we have 2 screens in our van. So this is our Pennyworth van control system. So you have the ability to control the whole van from this little screen next to the bed, as well as the main screen on the master control panel. So you can This is all designed in-house. You can control your entire van from here, your heating system, your cooling system, the max air fan. You can choose whether to run the heating system off diesel or electric as well. And then it gives you a good old reading on the power and readings on your water and grey tank, your freshwater and grey tank. So, you know, a lot of thought that's been put into this. And of course, the ambition is to bring this all out on a phone app in the next few months. So, you know, if you do have pets, then you can check on them and make sure that the temperature is being controlled inside of your van. So that's very much on brand for remote vans. We're all about having the latest technologies in our vans. Probably a question we get asked about the most is, why do we have the most efficient power system in a Class B? There's two components to that. The first component is our power system. It's a Lithionics power system with a 16.8 kilowatt battery system. We pair that with a Nomadic Cooling 48 volt AC, and when you combine these two things, you end up with the most efficient electrical system in a Class B. What does that mean? We can run between 4 and 5 nights without the need of recharging these batteries. So that in itself is a massive, massive thing for folks who like to go off the grid, go adventuring, and want to be safe in the knowledge that they have enough power to run their AC for multiple nights without stressing about recharging the batteries. So we're very, very proud to be running a power system that is this efficient and in combination with Nomadic Cooling's latest AC. That's the very brief tour of the Aegis series. We also have a Friday series as well as an Oasis series. Please check them out on our website, remotevans.com. And if you have any questions, reach out to us and we'll be happy to help you. And better yet, if you are going to be attending any of the Adventure Van Expos in the near future, we'll be there. We'd love to give you a tour of our vans and show you what we believe is the best built Class B adventure van in America today, and talk you through everything: the power system, the water system, our shower, our seats, and of course our AC and our partners at Nomadic Cooling. So look forward to meeting you guys and sharing more about our vans. Thanks so much.